You dey watch video for Facebook and maybe because of say you dey busy and the rest, then the video come comot, or as you say make you do other things for your phone, before you go come back to that video, the video don comot. The thing go come dey pain you, say this video you never watch am finish, how you wan take do am? No bother yourself, no worry yourself. I wan show you how you fit take go find any video wey you don watch before. If you just go to your Facebook, na my Facebook this now, if you go to your Facebook, just type this video icon. If you type the video icon, that's the video symbol, then you see this thing wey be like human being for here now. If you tap am like that, you see am, e go carry you go your library. That one na your library, na in the column. E go carry you go your library. So for that your library, you see a notification, your profile, saved videos, liked video, history, cellular data use. Now if you want check the video wey you dey watch before wey comot, just click what? History. You click history, all the videos wey you don watch, all of them, you see them. So all the videos wey you watch, na there. Then they say and videos you have watched, so all the videos wey you don watch, na there e dey. Even if you wan check video wey person use your phone watch, maybe person collect your phone say him wan watch video for Facebook, they come watch different things. If you wan see the videos wey the person watch, just follow that step wey I tell you. Just go the video icon, click that thing wey dey there, then you go carry go to what? You go carry go library, then just click history, go see all the videos where the person don watch. So now, so you go take see video where you don watch, even videos where you save, you go see am there. If you click save videos now, this one, all the videos where you save, where when you dey watch, maybe you don't get time, you just see the thing you like am, you can't click save. So all of them go save for there. If you need somebody wey go fit manage your social media channel, like your Facebook, your YouTube, Instagram and so on, abeg no fail to contact me. Call the number wey dey for the screen for any kind of social media management. I dey available and you go get the best result from me. I guarantee you that one.